In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting link for a future Google Meet. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account in a web browser. The easiest way to create a future Google Meet link is through Google Calendar, because it lets you set the time, date, and details all in one place, and the link will stay attached to that event. Start by opening Google Calendar. You can do this by going to the Google homepage and choosing Calendar from the app grid in the top right corner, or by typing Google Calendar into your browser's address bar and opening it from there. Once Calendar is open, you'll see a monthly or weekly view of your schedule. To create a new meeting, click on the date when you want the meeting to happen. A small event window will pop up. Here, type a clear title for your meeting, like Team Check-in or Client Presentation, so it's easy to recognize later. Now, set the meeting time. Choose the start time and end time that you want. If you know people in other time zones will join, you can double-check the time zone settings under the event options to make sure the time works for everyone. Next, look for the option that says Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, or simply Add Video Conferencing. Click this, and Calendar will automatically generate a unique Google Meet link for this event. You'll see the link appear right under that option. This link is what you'll share with participants, and it will only be active at the time of your scheduled meeting. If you'd like, you can add guests directly from this same window. Just enter their email addresses in the Guests field. When you save the event, they'll receive an invitation email that already includes the Google Meet link. This is a great way to avoid sending separate messages. You can also add a short description or agenda in the event details. This helps everyone know what to expect and come prepared. When everything looks good, click Save. If you added guests, confirm that you want to send the invitations. Your future Google Meet is now scheduled. Anytime before the meeting, you can open Google Calendar, click on the event, and you'll see the same Google Meet link ready to copy and share. That's all you need to create a future Google Meet link quickly and reliably.